some organic meat with my bud.
That's right. What's going on, Cole?
Brother, we're cutting up some garlic, some onions, cooking some beef on the hood of the truck while Cam's grooving out, setting the tone, baby. I got stories, songs, and songs.
I'm not here, Sam. We're so good at real life. Noob. Those are so good.
Goodness gracious, bro.
So, can you use that fork in a second, bud?
Yeah, man.
Thank you. That's crazy. This is how I've had pretty much all my meals for the past year and a half. Just like this. It's better than any restaurant. For real. That's how I feel about it. Oh, whoa. That's epic. It is dope.
Last ain't anybody told you that them things are bad for you.
Look at this guy. I love you, man. There we go.
Look how he's about to grow roots on you.
Bro. Alright, we'll take him with.
Nice.
Look at that.
You've had all the bugs on you today.
Alright, this is the spot. Boom. At the top of waterfall. Upper Creek Falls.
Oh no! Come on, baby! Come on, baby!
Woohoo! Tell you what, buddy, that branch has seen better days.
There she comes.
Oh, oh. As I walk backwards, there's a waterfall. Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness.
Nice.
Alright, that's solid.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright, so I just yanked this dead birch tree out of those rocks and chopped it up into a bunch of firewood. And now we're gonna start a fire. Good morning. Just waking up. First thing we're gonna do is hydrate with a pinch of my buddy Aaron's triple mineral mix salt. Tiny pinch. And then he instructs me to slowly drink my water in the morning after I take his salt. Aloha, my brothers and sisters. We are out here at the top of a waterfall. This is Upper Creek Falls in North Carolina. I am with my buddies Cam and Cole. We camped out here at the top of the waterfall last night, slept in hammocks, and Cam slept on the rocks. And yeah, we're gonna be hanging out here today. So I'm gonna make a video out of it. I haven't made an adventure video in a while, or anything like this, any sort of vlog, and I miss it. So I'm gonna document it, and yeah, we'll see what we get into today. Probably some swimming, who knows. Here's Cam in his booty shorts, also at the top of the waterfall. So we're just waking up, and a family walks up. Cam's still in his sleeping bag, like wiping the stuff out of his eyes, and the mom, the family's like, "Can you take a picture of us?" I started cracking up. I'm over here sitting, just drinking water, and Cam has to like hop out of bed in his booty shorts and take a family photo of these people. I said, bro, that has to be the first time in your entire life. The first thing you did after hopping out of your bed is take somebody's family photo. Anyway, I found that to be hilarious. But welcome to the video. We stayed up till 3 a.m. right over there around a fire, and it was awesome. It was to me more restful than I think sleep would have been. Though we weren't sleeping, it was still so restful. There's something just in my heart that comes alive when I'm seated around a fire, especially at the top of a waterfall, but with two brothers of mine, two real brothers of mine, and yeah, just talking for hours and hours around the fire about life, encouraging one another, helping each other find our spark, and stay purposeful, stay confident, and keep faith on this walk of ours. And yeah, that was, I wouldn't be surprised if when I leave, that's the highlight of this trip was that time around the fire, because it was deep, it was meaningful. The whole thing was prayer. We were aware of the presence of God with us while we were seated, and it was just this little triangle of honor and gratitude for one another as brothers. I really enjoyed it. You want to say? Okay. Bro, that smell is unreal. A little bit of the grimes in there for some texture. Cowboy coffee, baby. I found my spot for the morning. I found this little cave-like spot at the top of the waterfall to sit here, read, write, pray, breathe, and just reflect. There is no better place, at least for my heart, to get into an internal space of like rest, where true reflection can take place, where I can sit and observe my life and gain awareness and clarity, than the mountains. And just being out here in such a wild, untouched, beautiful place, I feel my soul settle down. It's such a sharp contrast to life back home with all the busyness and perfect square yards and perfectionism all around, and but right now I'm right where I'm designed to be, out in the Pisgah National Forest. Damn, it sounded like it either crushed something or... I think it was that sun bottle. Yeah. I was videoing that. Nice, dude. Woo! We ventured to the top of Upper Creek Falls. Rather be out here completely alone. However, this is the way it's supposed to be. The children swimming in the creek, in the river, jumping off of things, going down natural slide instead of plastic ones. Back where it all started. Cam never left.
Butter, baby.
And I've seen rain.
Boom. Oh yeah. That's right. So I'll tell you what, buddy. This coffee right here, this chocolate bar right here, you're in for a good time.
Just three bros in the parking lot eating a cold but melted chocolate bar.
Somehow, it's an enigma, just like Cole. Aw, thanks, Gammy.
All right, take it. There's a chocolate effect.
What are the little dots?
Oh snap, we in the mountains. I got you. But I got it on cinematic mode. I love you.
Surprise attack. Fix some underwear. I'm sending this to Austin. We've got some. You gotta pick one. Oh.
Are they the same?
Yeah, they're the same.
Oh.
It's brand new. Organic Jaguar. Represent. He sent me them and I was like, I got a pack.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm zooming in. Oh, wow. Looks so nice. Take a gift out of the bag.
Is this the chocolate?
No, dude.
Oh, this is the undies?
Yeah, bro. Thanks, Austin.
Dude. These are sick.
Yeah, bro. The homies.
Thank you, Austin, sir.
Thank you, Austin.
Yeah.
It says get naked. That's dope.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Block
Look at my life. 24, so much fun. Live alone in a paradise that makes me think of you.
Well, we're back home now. Currently on Airbnb, scouting out the next property for our next men's retreat this coming fall of 2025. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. My hope is that this particular video would inspire you to grab a couple friends of yours and get out, go for an adventure, go live, and go explore. I hope this inspires you. Book that trip, throw your camping stuff in the car, take off spontaneously. And if you enjoyed this video, do all the YouTube things, help me out, subscribe, like, drop a comment, let me know what you think. And yeah, man, love you.